So this is among the tiniest motor you have ever seen. It's actually a vibrator used in cell phones. Let me show you how it works. So all it contains is this neodymium magnet, these two copper coils. A current is induced in the coil, and in the presence of magnetic field it rotates the same as the normal motors. This washer like thing is a neodymium magnet, and these are the brushes having contact with the rotating coils. Removing this metal part will stabilize this motor as it's used to create a vibration. Now it can be used as a motor. I will stick it to the wheel to show the rotation. The motor needed to be in the center to avoid the vibration. So okay, hope you like this video and sure to subscribe. See you in the next video.